Yeah, okay. Let your brother help you. What's in there, Will? Whoa, baby! Oh, awesome! I think you can put those in the bathtub. Will, look!
Flags!
Look, Will, a flag! Okay, Charlie, let Will pull some stuff out of there. Whoa, cool, Will.
That's got a bitty flag.
Awesome.
Look at my jewelry book.
Ooh, that's like a little diary, like an address type book. You can write notes in there and everything. That's awesome.
What's this?
That says Will's name. That's Will's little book. Will, look at the beautiful book. That's for you.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Chocolate.
Oh.
Will and mine.
Yes, chocolate.
Chocolate. Me too.
You too.
Will.
Awesome.
Shortcake.
Cool, new coloring book. Can you guys say,
Yeah.
hey,
Hey,
you guys, can you say thank you to Grandma Patty and Grandpa George?
Thank you, Grandma.
And Grandpa?
Thanks, Grandma and Grandpa.
We'll say thank you, Grandma and Grandpa. Say thank you.
Look. Yeah.
Will, hey, say thank you, Grandma.
Thank you, Grandma.
Say thank you, Grandpa. Will, say thank you, Grandpa. You little stinker. Hey, Willie. Will, say thank you, Grandpa. Grandpa got you that book.
And Grandma gave me mine. No.
Say, see, that's Charlie. Now, can you say thank you to Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandpa. You're really wacky.
Say we love you.
We love you.
We miss you.
We miss you.
See you in August.
See you in August.
Okay,
Love
Will.
you. Bye.
Will, say see you in August. Will. Hey,
Chocolate.
Will. You little stinker. Hey, Willie, say love you.
Yeah.